Hey, thanks for coming back. Today we are going to have fun driving in a way I normally don't drive, slowly. And we're going to drive slowly because driving in an FJ45. It's a 1985 model. It has the pickup truck bed. You know what? They weren't meant to be driven fast. They were durable workhorses. But this one's been fully restored. So we're going to take this durable, fully restored workhorse for a little drive here. Come along with me. If you look in the engine compartment, everything's been completely redone in there. The 2F engine's nicely detailed. All new hoses, all new wiring, lots of new CAD plating. It's got the correct air cleaner. It has the correct Aisin carb. It has the correct radiator. It does have power steering. It does have power brakes. Runs nice and cool, very reliably, starts right up. The straight six is one of the smoothest running engines out there, and this one's no exception. It just hums along like a little sewing machine. So you could reliably drive this truck pretty much all over the place. So not really meant for the highway. And you can hop on there for a few exits or drive as far as you want, but top speed's usually around 50, 55 miles an hour, and you're kind of tapped out. But that being said, around town it's a ton of fun. Off-road is awesome. This thing's pretty darn nice. You may not take it off-road, but if you should want to, it's fully capable. The interior's been completely redone. We've got new seats, new door panels, new dash. All the paint is brand new in here, and then it's been detailed out with that factory silver paint. Pretty basic inside these interiors. We do have floor mats. Look under the dash. Everything's really nicely detailed under the carpets. It's all perfect. It's all brand new. The restoration on this truck is only a year old, so it hasn't been driven very much. So as the next owner, hopefully you'll put a lot of miles on it and really enjoy it. Smooth shifting. Brakes nicely. Doesn't pull to one side or another. Some of these didn't have front disc brakes. This one does have front disc brakes. So, pretty easy to drive. Stops well, no hairy moments. But you're not going fast enough ever where you're really gonna have to panic stop. But if need be the case, this one shouldn't have a problem. Now, I did mention these weren't really built for the highway, but we're going to hop on for one or two exits here, just so I can show you that it can be done. I'm going to drop her in fifth gear here, and off we go. Adventures and driving really slow. While it doesn't have speed, these are extremely reliable and well-built trucks. Awesome frames, and really they can just be beat on and come back for more. The engines and the transmissions were still reliable in these things. You often saw them rust away before the life of their engine could be used up. This one, however, has been completely restored and is ready for your use. Some people say we're crazy, but we're getting on the highway. We are being passed by everybody, and it also drives pretty good at 55 miles an hour. Soccer mom behind me is getting really mad. Soccer practice started 5 minutes ago. She should have left earlier. Again, it's not pulling, it's not doing anything crazy. Do you want to hop on the highway and drive around? That's fine, it's certainly capable. I wouldn't take it on like a 2-hour trip or anything like that, unless say you were going 45 or 50 miles an hour. Again, thanks for coming along. That was our test drive in the 1985 Toyota FJ45, the pickup truck version. This one's got a really nice suspension. It's had a complete rotisserie restoration. It's as clean as can be. And you know what? Although we didn't go that fast, I still had a good time. Thing's a lot of fun to drive. Check us out on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and our website, classiccarstudio.com. Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.